In an ordinary town, in an ordinary family, there lived an extraordinary cat named Jasper. He looked just like any other cat, with ears, whiskers, and a long tail. But there was something special about Jasper. He guarded his family's dreams. All day long he would lie in his bed. His family didn't have a clue why he slept so much. From time to time, he would wake up for a bite to eat and to play a little, and then go back to bed for another snooze. As nighttime approached and the family prepared for sleep, the cat would watch them carefully. Why? He would wait a little longer until everyone is asleep and all is dark and quiet. Jasper is wide awake and silent. He climbs to the roof to protect his family from noise, to ensure they have a good rest. Every night, this is his job. He waits, listening carefully. Suddenly, he recognized a familiar sound. He rushed towards it and saw his old friend, the dog. "Hey, Fido, you're making noise again," said Jasper. "I'm just howling at the moon." "But Fido, my family is sleeping nearby. Could you please stay quiet?" "Why, sure. Sorry." Then the cat heard a noise coming from the rooftop. Again he rushed towards it and saw the owl sitting on the roof and hooting. Jasper asked him, "Why are you making noise, my friend?" "I'm singing my song to the stars." "But Owl, my family is sleeping nearby. Could you please stay quiet?" "Why, sure, cat. Sorry." Everything went quiet, and the cat was happy. Unfortunately, the quiet didn't last long. There was another noise. Jasper ran to the sound and saw two strange cats making that terrible noise. He asked them, "Why are you guys making so much noise?" "We do what we want." "Listen, guys, my family is sleeping nearby. Could you please stay quiet?" "What if we don't? What will you do then?" Jasper thought a while and said, "Then I'll scare you away." "Scare us? Don't make us laugh, kitten." "Oh, I will," the cat yelled. "Help me, my friends." The dog and the owl showed up in the blink of an eye. The dog barked, the owl flapped his wings, and Jasper showed his claws. The rowdy cats were so scared that they turned and ran away. Jasper thanked his friends and told them he was very tired. They said goodbye to each other, and the cat ran back home. It was early morning, and the cat returned to his bed. Jasper's family woke up to find the cat fast asleep as usual. They never realized that Jasper guarded their dreams, but they loved him dearly because he was their favorite cat.